Hello friends, now I will quickly tell and show you how to download and install Unity Game Engine. First, go to the official Unity website. The link to it is in the description. Click on the download button, then download for Windows. We start downloading the installation file. After the download is complete, open the installation file, choose a place on your hard disk where Unity will be installed. We agree with the rules and click Next. After the installation is complete, the Unity Hub opens. If you already have an account, authorize using it. If you don't have an account, click on the link. Create an account. Registration is as simple as possible. Enter your email, make up a password, write your username, and your name in full. Check all the boxes and click on Create Unity ID. After that, you will need to confirm your registration on your email. You will get an email from Unity, follow the link, and everything will work. Great! We are inside the Unity Hub. Proceed to install the Unity Game Engine. Choose a place to install it and click on the Install button. Unity is installed. Now let's activate the free license. Go to the Project section. At the top, click on Manage Licenses and in the drop-down window select, get a free personal license. Now you know how to install the Unity Game Engine. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck!